friends and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how 15th of August is going to be for you. Before I begin the video, I hope that you watched the video of 14th of August because the energy today is very strong and there are a lot of elements that are coming together. So you need to watch that video and you need to use that to the maximum benefit possible. So please watch that video. Second, I'm going to do a live for at around 3:30 where I'm going to answer all the questions with regards to Sushant. You hate me, you love me, you like what I say, you don't like what I say. If you are for Sushant, if you have anything to do with Sushant, if you want to get your answers, please come. Even if you come to abuse me, that's all right, because I want to give answers to all your questions because he wants everyone to be together. So I will explain what happened and why I kind of suddenly put this like a live which was not planned at all, but in the morning there was something very strong that came. I will share about that. Third, this card deck that I'm using, so yesterday's in the live somebody was asking the name of the card deck because I used this for Sushant. So the name of this deck is Angel Wisdom Tarot. If you see here, the Angel Wisdom Tarot, it's a Rider-Waite based deck. So the name is Angel Wisdom Tarot. Okay, so to begin with, the first card that I got two set of cards today. First card that I got was King of Wands card, and on a lighter note, I hope that King of Wands become active on 15th of August and he's all in good health and he comes back. But also this card says that 15th of August you will see some powerful people. So yes, we some leaders definitely come ahead, and they first of all very wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It's India's Independence Day on 15th of August. So wish you a very happy Independence Day. And yes, the leaders do come forward and they address the nation. So that is why probably there is King of Wands and it's separate than all your normal routine cards. So first of all, this is the day where some people might enter into a leadership role. Maybe some of you will get into spotlight, maybe some of you will have to look at the bigger picture, maybe some of you will have to communicate your vision, or some people might just come forward and communicate their vision. The only thing is, don't be sensitive to criticism, don't be negative, don't worry about what people are saying, what is happening around you. Now one thing that got caught my eye was these two dragon faces, and they have balls inside their face. So if you see, there are two golden balls that are there in each of the dragon face. So basically this means that our voice, our speech has a lot of power, our words have a lot of power, and today on 15th of August you will have to be careful as to what words do we use, because when you can send a fireball or you can send a ball which is of love and peace, and whatever you send across comes back to you always. So look at the bigger picture and say the things only that you want to say. Don't say anything that would hurt anybody or that would hurt you, and don't say anything, consciously practice that you don't say anything that you would regret later. So be very careful, think about what is coming out of your mouth and then only speak. Second, there is a salamander here, and that means you are protected, you are safe, so you don't have to be worried about your safety at all. And just ensure that you have your eye on the bigger picture today and you are not thinking about small little details or small little things. You are only focused on the bigger picture and the bigger results. So this is one. Now the second set of card that I got is first card is Eight of Swords, and this card says there is an illusion of entrapment. So there is no entrapment as such, because you are not really stuck, because the gate is open, there is a sword here, there is so much greenery here, and this wall that is here is also kind of temporary, there is no roof on it. So you are not entrapped. If you are feeling entrapped, if you are feeling stuck, if you are feeling that you are helpless, that means that is already all coming from your inside, that is all coming from inside you, that is coming all from your fears that you have, from things that you are thinking continuously. Today is the time to take responsibility of your life. Today is the 15th of August, is the time to take responsibility of your life, move towards growth, do things that are better for you, and let go of any kind of thing that is making you feel entrapped or stuck, or into a stuck situation. You are not, absolutely not stuck. You have all the ability to kind of move forward. You have all the ability to take a sword, bring your sword in front, take it high, and win whatever you want to. Second card that I have is 10 of Wands, and if you see this card, there are wands here, like inside this whatever you call it, basket. So inside this basket there are 2 wands here, there are 3 here, right? And this old lady, she's standing with her hand on her head. She's completely frustrated, she's completely stressed out, and she doesn't know what should she do, how should she manage to do this. So the thing is that you might be over exhausted, you might be working too many hours, you might be missing a balance in your life, and today is the time where you, one, get back that balance. Second, 15th of August is the time where you ask others or angels or guides for help. And also on another note, you can actually realize, if she realizes that she can actually sit here, and while sitting she can put these 3 wands here, relax, or like be here for a while, and then she can actually stand up, sit here, and actually pick up these wands and put it here, and then she can actually sit for a while before she gets the energy to kind of pick them up and go go down the hill. Or she can actually keep it all in the bucket on the side and then go down the hill and ask somebody to bring it off. So there are ways of doing things. If you keep feeling stuck, if you keep feeling that nothing is working out, I have too much to do, I have too much of stress, then there are health problems that will happen, there is stress that will happen. But if you think that there is an alternate way, you can take charge of your life and you can pick that alternate way, then everything will work out, because the next card is victory. Yes, so there is a card of victory, and the card is of wise choices, the card is of coming into public eye, the card is of public recognition, which is King of Wands also. So some of you will definitely get some kind of public recognition tomorrow, but on 15th of August. But the card is of victory. So victory is coming your way, but where does the victory come from? Victory comes from, if you don't feel stuck, if you take charge of your life, if you ask for help and then you move forward, that is from where victory comes. And the next card is strength. And if you look at this card, the lion is sitting peacefully, and this angel who's here, she's actually taking away the crown of the lion, and lion is sitting very, very peacefully. Lion is letting her do that, because lion knows his power, he knows how to forgive, he knows whenever he would want, he can actually take this crown back. Even if he takes one little step, he can actually get his crown back. So he doesn't have to be bothered about somebody else taking his crown, because he knows his power, he knows how to forgive, and he knows that he's very, very strong. Similarly, you need to understand that you are much, much stronger than what you realize you are. You need to understand that whatever has been taken away from you will never go away. If it is meant for you, it will always come back to you. No matter if you have the crown or if you don't have the crown, you still remain the king or the queen, you still remain in power, and that is something that you have to realize for 15th of August. The last card that I have again is a beautiful, beautiful card. I love this card. There's so many butterflies around the Page of Sword, and this is Page of Sword. Page of Sword is message, Page of Sword is some positive news, Page of Sword is action, Page of Sword is learning. And if you see this guy here with his boots on, with his sword held tightly, he's ready and he's just waiting for something to happen, and the moment those things happen, he will be kind of moving away from here. If you see here, there is an eye, all-seeing eye, and he can see everything that is happening around, and there is transformation because there are so many butterflies that are there. So the card says that you have to believe in yourself, you have to accept the challenges, you have to move forward with accepting the challenges, and also you need to ensure that you review everything carefully. So if there is any kind of documentation, if there is anything that you need to kind of look into, if there is anything that you need to kind of review everything very, very carefully. And also on another note, I feel that maybe somebody is coming out of entrapment. There is burden undoubtedly, there is stress undoubtedly, but the knowledge is there how to bring on the big victory, and whoever has been taking away the crown of the king knows how to get it back. So you don't have to be worried about you or anybody else, because yes, today is very, very powerful energy. The second set of cards that I took out, they were from, and there were many cards from there also, they were from the Life Navigator deck. The first card says trust your instincts. It says that like the way river knows how to reach to sea, you also know what is your life goal, but you just need to follow the flow. Second is be open to the flow. This is exactly coming from here, that once you're ready to accept and pour good energy in the way, you will open a lot of channels, and you will actually move away with the flow, move forward with the flow. The next card is lightening the darkness. If possible today, light one diya, light some light, do something where you light somebody's life. So do something good, share something good with somebody, or with your words, with your actions, light somebody's life. So human hand can build a fire to light home, but light from a loving heart can illuminate the world. So illuminate the world with your light. The next card is power of intent. It says our ancestors also knew the power of intent and imagination. So think what you want to create, because what you think is what you create. The next is power in peace, and it says that those who know how to practice love and peace, they know how to kind of move forward, and that is why these beautiful ripples are created with peace. So be peaceful and know your power. Again, this is like, these are the same messages that have come in this card. The next is meditate. It says prayer and meditation have been enhancing human life for millennia. Take time out for spirit download, and download love, harmony and peace. And the last card that I have is again very beautiful. It says ignite your life. With confidence and loving mindfulness, you create amazing changes for yourself and for those around you. So definitely you have that power today. Use your instinct, use your power, know that nobody can take anything that is meant for you, and just trust your intuitions and keep moving forward with the flow. And bless. The next card that I got is from Atlantis Tarot, Diana Cooper. Again, beautiful message, because the card says your guidance is to bless everyone you meet today. Blessing silent or aloud, allow a divine light to flow from you to another or others, whether friends, enemies or strangers. This touches them with love, help to open up their hearts, bless food, water, animal, trees, knowing that you are lighting up the world around you. Remember, all you give out returns to you multiplied. Use your power to light up the world. So today, ensure that whatever you have around you, whether it is your food, whether it is for water, whether this is animals, whether they are trees, whether they are even if they are buildings, right? They are concrete, but even if they are buildings, because they also have their vibrations. So bless everything, and even if people who you like or who you hate, doesn't matter. Bless everyone and everything around you, because whatever you send outside comes back multifolded to you. So the more you bless, the more blessings you send, the more blessings will come your way. And another thing is that at times, these people who do bad things, they do those things because their soul is kind of sleeping. The soul is actually given up on them. Their conscious is not alive, and when you send them healings, when you send them positivity, their conscious might just wake up, and they might turn out to be something very, very different, or someone very, very different. So today, please practice sending blessings. It is very important for today. And also for your health, I would say today, take care of your posture, the back, how you sit. Also take care, because today I can feel there could be some headaches, and also if you wear specs today, as in on 15th of August, if you wear specs, please wear them. Don't ignore your own well-being. And if you have any kind of spine issue, today ensure that on 15th of August, ensure that you don't sit on any hard space or any hard place, and carry your cushion if you need with you if you are going out. So these are few health suggestions that I have for you. And let's just take out card, an extra card for you guys, as to what is the message for you. Guides, angels, what is the message for viewers for 15th of August? It's the additional message for viewers for 15th of August. Guides, angels, what is the additional message? My daughter has picked up my box. Okay, I will see to that later, but yeah, multiple cards. 8 of Keys, the master artisan. So definitely you will be given, this person is giving him some kind of keys. Okay, I'm being asked to kind of pull the cards again. I will. 15th of August, guides, angels, what is the energy of 15th of August? What do the viewers need to know for 15th? Okay, so you probably wanted to give just 2 cards. Okay, the first card is Caught in the Ruins, and this is a card where somebody is stuck into a jail. This is actually a tower card, number 16. And this means, and if you see these two people, they are into kind of a closed space, a jail kind of a thing. But if they actually realize there is no roof there, they can actually come out of it. So they are here, they are stuck because they are keeping themselves stuck, but they have an opening where they can actually come out of that opening and actually move out of this beautiful jungle or things that are there. The clouds are going away, there is a clear blue sky. So this is like half divided. They have their own option, they have their own will, and probably somewhere out of their own sadness and out of their own will, they are sitting here because everything is almost broken, so they can actually come out of it. So basically the tower has opened up, the energies have opened up, and you have the power where you are only not using your mental power, you are actually kind of stuck into your own sadness or the things that you think or the way you think that you are stuck. And the moment you open that, there is more balance. There is 7 of Forces card, and if you see, there is weighing scales. So weighing scales is basically the Justice. There is these scrolls, which means knowledge or messages. And there are so many letters here, which means again knowledge or study or moving forward. There is this big library here. There is a door that is there that opens into the brighter sun, and it has everything that you need. So basically, when you actually let go of that thinking that you are actually caught or you are actually into a sadness, the moment you let go of that sadness, everything will open up for you, more balance will come, and you will move towards justice, you will move towards more information, you will move towards a new sun rising, and you will move towards having better things in your life. So this is the message, and this is message both ways. So you can actually think about it from your perspective or think about it from some other perspective, where the tower is actually blown away now, and whoever is sitting in the tower is probably convincing himself or convincing somebody else, or somebody else is convincing him to still be in the tower, but he will know his light and he knows how to move forward. So these are the messages that I have, and I will end here. But if you like, if you resonate with these videos, and 15th of August you would not know if you resonate with it or not, but you will know if you resonate with 14th of August. So put those comments here. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. My daughter has actually kind of taken out everything from my almirah and put that on the floor, so I'll manage that now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.